2023 Cadillac XT5. With less than 59,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.